partner. We call partner 30, 360-degree. We work closely with many ministry in Thailand to do what we do. 5 priority things for Ignite Thailand or Ignite Tourism Thailand. Firstly, we give the prioritization.
And any team from MG from Hong Kong Tourism Board.
Invite the media and our official photographer to capture this significant moment.
ขณะนี้นะคะเรียนเชิญสื่อมวลชนและช่างภาพทุกท่านนะคะบันทึกภาพช่วงเวลาสำคัญนี้ค่ะ
Report on my count of 3.
แขก VIP ทุกท่านคะโปรดเตรียมตัวตัดริบบิ้นเพื่อเปิดงาน PATA Travel Mart ปีพุทธศักราช 2567
1, 2, 3. Thank you to our VIPs and to all our guests for joining us for this special occasion. With the ribbon cut, we're thrilled to declare that PATA Travel Mart 2024 is officially open. The exhibition is now open to all guests, so please enjoy exploring the innovative offerings from our exhibitors. Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Good crowd. Yeah. Okay. มีแล้วเริ่มไม่ดีอ่ะ 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay.
Cheers to the 25th anniversary of PATA! And with a strong partnership with Tourism Authority of Thailand, thank you again Tourism Authority of Thailand for tonight for hosting this welcome party.